Watch what you say to me. You can get hit in your lip. My niggas play for keys. You run this shit and get tripped. We make them do like a chip. We let it blow from the rip.
What's good, YouTube? Now it's your boy xJamius back with another video. But in this video, I'm giving y'all my signature styles. I gave y'all my jump shot before, so why not? Now this is just a slight clip. It's really nothing special at all. I just did something like, you know, got me a green bean, my jumper machine. Y'all know that by now. Now in a second, I'm about to give y'all the first parts of my dribble moves, you know? Cause I broke it up in parts throughout the video so I can explain why I use what I use. Dribble style, I don't know. But this is Kyrie right here. This is straight Kyrie. I do that fast between behind the back. Right there. Behind the back, get him out of there. And I'm in the paint. That layup, new build on the way. Right there. That fast, quick step. That's all Kyrie, bruh. Or Pro 3. Or Allen Iverson. Now my behind the back. Pro 5 is the best behind the back in the game. Easily. Right here. You get in the right position, you can grab your defender and get an easy layup every time. Guaranteed. Got a little glitchy right there. We in there. Every single time. But of course not everything is unguardable in the game. I did it twice right there just because it's really that simple. That's why I personally use Pro 5. I don't know what other people use, but right here, it's all I need, man. It gets me where I need to go. And as an ISO player, man, you know about that. If it worked, we rocking with it. He gone, we in the paint with it, just like that. Now my spin move is Pro 4. This has been my favorite spin move in the game since I switched to it. I used to use basic one, I think. Right there, that's a green. Bro, if you guarding me and I do a spin move like that and you nowhere near me, bro, just count to 3. That's all you should do, honestly. Right here, once again, he was lost in the sauce. Like Chris Mood said, somebody define that man the map, because we doing it once again. We getting it in. It's a celebration. We getting straight greens. Now my hesitation, Pro 3. To do the little glitchy move, Pro 3, Pro 1. Right there, that little glitchy move. All you got to do. And you saw the behind the back again. Once again, that's just a full hezzy right there. Behind the back, we in the paint. Now I'm about to show y'all my entire moveset. So if you're new to this channel, drop a like, subscribe, and I'm out, bruh.